Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all are happy and doing well at home. Have you had your breakfast? Are you ready to study? Okay, let's start our lesson. Today, we are going to learn a new topic, that is clothes we wear. Clothes we wear. There are different types of clothes we wear. Do you know their names? Frock, pants, shirt, shorts, sweater, socks, etc. We wear different types of clothes in summer, rainy and winter seasons. We wear different types of clothes in summer, rainy and winter seasons. Oh, it's too hot. It's too hot. Drink some water. Too hot. Do you know which season is this? This is summer season. This is summer season. This is a hot season. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. In summer season, we usually wear cotton clothes. Oh, it's very cold. It's very cold. So cold. Do you know which season is this? This is winter season. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. It is a coldest season, so we wear woolen clothes. It's raining, very rainy. Do you know which season is this? Do you know which season is this? This is rainy season. This is rainy season. In rainy season, we wear a raincoat, gumboots and carry an umbrella when we go outside in the rain. Now, we can move to our textbook. Please take the page number 48. Clothes we wear. Tick the clothes you like to wear. Tick the clothes you like to wear. First one is a scarf. First one is a scarf. When we use the scarf? We use the scarf while traveling. We use the scarf while traveling. Second one is a frock. Second one is a frock. Small girls use the frock. Small girls use the frock. Third one is a skirt. Third one is a skirt. It is also used by the girls. It is also used by the girls. Fourth one is shirt. Fourth one is a shirt. Both boys and girls use this type of clothes. Fifth one is pants. Fifth one is a pants. It is also used by boys and girls. It is also used by boys and girls. Sixth one is shorts. Sixth one is shorts. It is a dress for boys. It is a dress for boys. Seventh one is socks. Seventh one is socks. Do you remember? Last year you wear socks along with your uniform. This also used by boys and girls. This also used by boys and girls. Eighth one is sweater. Eighth one is sweater. Sweater is used in winter season to avoid cold. Sweater is used in winter season to avoid cold. Ninth one is raincoat. Ninth one is raincoat. It is used in rainy season to escape from the rain. It is used in rainy season to escape from the rain. Tenth one is a cap. Tenth one is a cap. We wear cap usually in summer season to avoid heat from the sun. We wear cap usually in summer season to avoid heat from the sun. The last one is gloves. The last one is gloves. We wear gloves to protect our hands from germs. We wear gloves to protect our hands from germs. All the clothes are very useful to us. All the clothes are very useful to us. So, tick the clothes you like to wear. Tick the clothes you like to wear. Now, we move on to the next page, page number 49. Page number 49. Sunny or rainy. Sunny or rainy. Match the clothes you will wear when it is cold, rainy, sunny. Match the clothes you will wear when it is cold, rainy, sunny. When it is cold, which clothes we wear? We wear woolen clothes when it is cold. Draw a line from cold to this picture. This type of clothes we wear in cold season. Then rainy. When it is rain, we wear raincoat. So rainy, draw a line from rainy to the picture. This type of clothes we wear in rainy season. Then the last one is sunny. When it is sunny, we wear cotton clothes. Draw a line from sunny to this picture. Okay. This type of cotton clothes we wear in sunny season. We can learn more about clothes and season later. Okay. Children, today's class is over. Watch the video many times. Study well and stay safe. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.